Welcome back, friends. Since it's Biodiversity Week going on, yesterday I painted a fawn deer with a little butterfly, and today I chose to paint a horse with a little girl. और ये पेंटिंग करते करते I'll talk about something about the topic painting. How many of you have encountered this question? What is your hobby? आपका hobby क्या है? If you ask me, I'll definitely say it's painting. Or if you ask anybody who is into singing or who is into music or who plays any musical instrument or who is into any kind of sports, they will give their respective answer. There are many instances where some of you think for a second or two and then answer, maybe listening to music or maybe watching movie or maybe shopping or maybe doing something which is totally not into creating anything. No, I'm not saying that you need to create every time, but my point is the hobbies can be a singing, a sport, or anything which is not into creating field. Why not we choose something where we can actually invest our time, and at the end of the process we'll have our creation in front of us. And this is possible. Yes, with painting this is definitely possible. Painting or drawing or making a piece of art is something that draws all your attention, is something that will keep you indulged within. And sometimes there are cases I get this kind of answer, I am not that talented. उतना टैलेंट कहाँ है मुझ में, या आप तो बहुत टैलेंटेड हो, या यू आर गॉड गिफ्टेड. ऐसा आंसर तभी आता है जब you think that your drawings or your paintings are not that realistic as a full-time artist or some legendary artist of the world. Here you are, you start comparing your art with them who are actually spending their lifetime in gaining that skill. Yes, it's more likely that their art will obviously be more realistic and more full of life than yours. But let me tell you one thing. At least if you give it a start today, at least after 5 days or at least after 1 month, you will be a better version of yourself than you are today. And yes, like practice makes a man perfect, this idea is not only applicable to painting itself but also in any other field, be it science or be it sports or be it music. I mean, there are few people around the world who are masters in sports, and there are few who are a state player or a national level player, and there are many who play sport with their school friends or college friends or office colleagues or family friends, and there are many more who like sports but play once in a while और कभी शौक से खेल लेते हैं. So my question lies here. If something like sports excites you so much that sometimes in your leisure you think of playing it but you don't get your partner, or somehow you don't get anyone to play, or you end up with thinking of it only. Now let's come to the topic painting. You really don't need any partner to complete your art. All you're gonna need just for a start is a sketchbook and a pen or pencil, or a painting surface and a paint medium. That's it. And after that, what you're gonna require is skills. The more you invest your time into art, the more you will be rewarded. I can assure you, it will take you to a flow state. That state of mind where a person performing an activity is fully immersed into a feeling of energized focus. Means you will actually Be unconscious about your physical needs. And on top of that, negativity will stay out of it. So these are all the rewards you will be getting if you involve yourself with arts. Again, I'll add up, anything in this world is not God gifted. Every skill has to be learned, be it a new language or be it playing a musical instrument, anything. You need to acquire that skill. You need to invest plenty of time after it, and then only you can actually get most out of it. But in some cases, most will add up, oh, I don't get that much of time after studying a lot or after spending 8 to 9 hours or 12 hours working in our office. I don't have that energy to make an art. Let me tell you one thing. How many of you had taken this lockdown as a challenge? Challenge like making a piece of art every day. It sounds crazy to some people, but yes, some are there who are actually living this challenge. It's all about involving yourself with your interests, and those interests will reward you. And I can assure you, painting comes with a lot of rewards. You can become a better person with a better thinking process. With a small example, you will understand this clearly. That suppose you are sitting on a park bench and you have your sketchbook with yourself and you saw a crow. You study its anatomy and start doing its sketch. So here lies the fact. If you are an artist, you will understand anatomy better. Like watching a crow or any other object in this outer world, we are actually capturing the image of that object into our memory. Like a camera does, it takes photograph. But when we are sketching or drawing that object onto our paper, we have that chance to study the anatomy better. Maybe in the future, we can draw that crow without even looking at it. So here lies the rewards with painting. It improves your thinking process, it keeps you out of negativity, it gives you the time to make something, to create something. So why not to try painting? And this painting is almost done. Thank you so much guys for being with me and watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section below how much you liked it. And please show some love to my channel. Please subscribe it. And if you love this painting video, please give it a share. I hope you all have a lovely day. And I will see you soon on my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at your home. Bye-bye.